Hi, this is John with WTI and with one of my best picks because I eat oatmeal like an old man, yes, but it's not, it's good. It's very good for your body. So, with one of my favorite flavors that you can find from Quaker is the cinnamon and green apple flavor that you can find in here. So, one of the things that I like the most about this is just so easy. You get one of this and you put it into a bowl, water or milk. You put it down in the microwave 1 minute, and you got a whole meal, easy and fast, in less than what 2 or 3 minutes. And as I'm always rushing through classes, I have gaps or little breaks of 5 minutes, and I want to eat something, or if I'm craving something, it's just so easy just to go grab one of these guys, wrap them over, put it in your bowl, and you're good to go to eat. So if you're looking for a great flavor of oatmeal, instant oatmeal that you can do, these ones are just great and convenient. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.